This real estate advantage property video is presented by Richard Benedetto. Enjoy spectacular, panoramic lake views from the open floor plan of this turnkey condominium on Lake Chautauqua. This recently renovated spacious 2-story, top-floor condo is a must-see. The updated kitchen features quartz countertops, Amish-built cabinets, new flooring, and all new appliances. Amenities include skylights, a gas fireplace, spacious walk-in attic, new furnace and air conditioner, new washer and dryer, newer windows and glass doors leading to your own large balcony, and so much more. The condominium complex offers many amenities including a new pool, that's only 20 steps away, new tennis and pickleball courts, an updated playground and exceptionally maintained lakefront, boat and jet ski docks, truly a year-round, maintenance-free lifestyle, so you can focus on what is important, enjoying the incredible Lake Chautauqua region. For more information,